It's taking me back in time. Been driving in dreams lately, like it's 2019 maybe. Whenever I'm missing you, call me up but I can't get through. Don't know where we'll sleep lately, but I'll feel it in my dreams. Maybe we can get drowned on a Wall Street. If all we'll is all that we'll ever be. It's bittersweet, at least a girl can dream.
Glowing Star meet Azerbaijan's rising star, Yağmur NASRULLAYEVA. Glowing Star. This year, Azerbaijan is sending a very bright young talent to Junior Eurovision 2025. Her name is Yağmur NASRULLAYEVA. She is only 12 years old, but already has a voice full of power and passion. Yağmur started singing when she was just 8 years old. The very first song she sang was a Turkish song. Since then, music has become a big part of her life. She looks up to great Azerbaijani legends like Rashid Babutov and Shavkat Alikperova. But at the same time, she feels most comfortable performing in the K-pop style. With the full support of her parents, Yağmur continues to grow as a young artist. She dreams of becoming world famous one day. Right now, she studies at the School of Arts No. 5 in Baku.
Gözləyərəm, izləyərəm pəncərədən. Baxışlarım bulaq kimi axıb gedər küçələrdən. Deyirsən ki sorma məni bir kimsədən. Necə susum, necə danım, səni sevdim, səni andım, el içində mehribanım.
Her talent is already recognized internationally. At the Astana Stars International Contest, she won 3rd place. Now, she is ready for her biggest stage yet. On December 13th, in Tbilisi, Georgia, Yağmur will represent Azerbaijan at the Junior Eurovision Song Contest 2025. Get ready to see her shine and bring the magic of Azerbaijan to the world.
Sence bu nedir?
Bilmədim ki.
Bu həmin odur. Təbrik edirik. Yarışmada Azərbaycanımızı təmsil etməyə haqqı. Bu ilk səndədir, sən seçildin və Azərbaycanımızı Tbilisi'də məhz sən təmsil edəcəksin.
Hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal. Dile, dile, sabe bien.